Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenzi, founder of Paper Specs with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. If you and I make a bad money decision, it most likely will feel like the end of the world to us, while the rest of society will just keep humming along, just nicely. It's a completely different story, though, for those whose job it is to decide where money must be spent to support crucial utilities and government services around us. To entice these guardians of our infrastructure to attend a workshop and hopefully use their C55 software, Copperleaf Technologies sent them an invitation that is as intriguing as their potential client's job is important. Taking the inspiration from the Copperleaf name, Wian Branding designed an invitation, which is actually a suite of 4 cards tucked inside an attractive folder, each piece reinforcing the Copperleaf name with exquisite copper foil stamped artwork. Let's start with that luscious mini folder, held closed with a small latch on a short cover that tucks inside a die-cut slit on the opposing cover. Hemlock Printers utilized UV technology to print black on the outside and a warm copper inside, all on Nina Classic Crest, the stipple finish adding a subtle dimensional look and feel. The iron cross style fold of the carrier nicely holds the cards inside in place. What truly brings this folder to life, though, are all the various ideograms and line drawings that are foil stamped on the cover. Representing everything from the power industry to a rendering of the Vitruvian Man, the illustrations not only address the industries their clients are likely to work in, but also hint at all the different decisions they have to contend with as part of their job. Opening the folder, we are greeted by a variety of snazzy cards. The first one depicting the iconic mustache and mob-like mane of Albert Einstein. All around him float atomic symbols, mathematical formula, and other sciencey stuff rendered in beautiful copper foil stamping. Turning the card over shows a simplified explanation of Copperleaf's C55 software beneath a riff of Einstein's famous equation. The next 2 cards, devoted to Marie Curie and Leonardo da Vinci, take a similar tack. Yet it is with the 4th and final card that this package kicks it up that extra notch, as it celebrates the greatest of overachievers, us. Yes, this card reflects our own face back at us, thanks to the clever use of digital foil printing on silver foil board, which also includes the recipient's name in black in the middle of the facial outline, mimicking the previous 3 cards. This is a particularly effective use of digital's variable data printing. And let's face it, who wouldn't like to be lumped in with the likes of Einstein, Curie, and Da Vinci? Beyond hot foil stamping, there's so many great foil options available to you, foil board just being one of them. Discover the pros and cons and all the options available to you in a cheat sheet we created just for you. Go to foilcheatsheet.com and download it from there. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel, and of course it would be amazing if you share with all your friends, and keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.